here is my highly requested pasta and meatballs recipe. Please enjoy it. All the ingredients used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Please check that out after watching this video. To make these meatballs, we need minced beef. Minced beef, not ground beef. So I just minced my beef using my food processor, and that's because it gives me the perfect consistency, perfect shape, and it's so convenient for me. For my tomato base, I'm using just ripe plum tomatoes and scotch bonnet peppers. I'll be blending this to achieve a smooth consistency before boiling it down to make sure 80% of its water content are evaporated. The only ingredient missing in these meatballs is just my breadcrumbs, and I couldn't get breadcrumbs at the convenience store, and so I decided to still go ahead and make the meatballs even without the breadcrumbs. And you can see it looks perfect. So please, while making yours, make sure you make use of breadcrumbs or gari or cornstarch, okay? Have you liked this video? Kindly like this video for me, please. Always like my videos Comment what you feel about this recipe in the comment section and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Making the tomato sauce is so simple and straightforward. In my heated pot, I added the oil used in frying the beef meatballs, and also adding my grated onions, ginger and garlic. Allow this saute for a while before adding my curry and rosemary to intensify all the beautiful flavors. Before going in with my already boiled tomatoes and scotch bonnet peppers, I allow this fry for a while and then going in with my nutmeg, salt and shrimp powder for more flavors, yes, before also going in with my already fried meatballs. Perfection, perfection, perfection. Yes guys, allow this cook for a while before adding your parsley, yes, for more flavors. Oh, this was good. This was delicious. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and also subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.